It is an absolutely perfect day to be motoring. We are going into wind, as seems to be the pattern, but it is silky smooth water. There's a little flag over there. It's not on. Looks like it might be a trap or a net or something like that. The water is so blue, and you can see through the bottom at times and the sand below. This is really enjoyable cruising. It's 10 AM, water is really smooth, wind on the nose, 8 knots, but I've got 1,000 watts going into the motor, 500 watts charging the battery, and the noisiest thing is actually the autopilot steering wheel. It's lovely and calm and peaceful out. Oh, and I'm doing 3.4 knots at the moment. I cleaned my rudders yesterday, and it seemed to help quite a lot. We're slipping through the water much easier. We're basically at the top of Istria, and we're going past a very pretty little lighthouse on our way into Slovenia. That there would be the tip of Istria. Passing by a lovely little town called Piran, which is sticking out here on our way to, well, we're going to stop for Koper for a quick lunch stop, walk the dogs a bit, and then we'll go to our anchorage, which I think is called Lazare. I don't know, I'll tell you when I get there. The wind has all but died. I think I've got 3 knots on the nose. I've upped the power to 1.5 kilowatts or 750 watts on each motor, and we are doing 3.8 knots in very smooth water. It is a lovely day to be out. So, somewhere back there, we crossed the border for the first time. We're no longer in Croatia, we're now in Slovenia, which is a very interesting beach there. I can't figure out how on earth you get down these cliffs to that beach. I think I see a path in the distance over there, but it must be a really nice beach, because it looks like it's a very difficult one to get back up when you're finished. And soon we'll do another border crossing into Italy, but probably not today, probably tomorrow. So in the end we didn't stop in Koper. There was quite a strong wind blowing, and it looked it was blowing onto a wall, which was what we were supposed to anchor in front of, and it didn't look like a very nice place either. So we came around the corner to Lazarotto, I think it's called, which is actually 45 minutes from where we were going to be, and it's quite a lovely place. The water is very clear, but it's the first time we can actually see the anchor setting. And one thing is quite interesting, I'll show you in a minute. There we go, that's what it looks like. So you see that building over there? That building is in Italy, and that building over there is in Slovenia, and somewhere in between is the border, and I have no idea where the border is. So at some point we crossed the border from, well, today we crossed the border from Croatia to Slovenia, and then from Slovenia into Italy. And I'm about to go for a swim, because it looks great. And sunset in Italy is quite spectacular.